In this video, we will see a use case of invoice and purchase order comparison. The process includes uploading the input files to our intelligent document processing engine. The data from both the invoice and purchase order will be extracted. It will then be compared based on the item code, and the result will be matched or unmatched for each item code in the input files. We will see both matched and unmatched cases. First, we'll use a not matching purchase order with our invoice and check the results. Let's start. Here is the sample invoice. And this is the first purchase order in which it has the third item with different quantity than the one on the invoice as shown. Here is our workflow having the invoice and PO. We expect an output as an Excel file comparing between the two documents. We will run the workflow now. Let's go to check the output file. It has the result we expected, not matching. For the second part, we will use another output file. This is the second PO we'll compare with. We'll upload it. Run the workflow. Check out the resulted file. We can see it extracted the data and compared it as expected. This is all for today. Thanks for watching.